Namaste, my name is Alpana Loyalka. Thank you for tuning in today as we present to you the Uday Raga Dance Festival in collaboration with the Orissa Dance Academy by Padma Shri Aruna Mohanty ji. We hope you all are enjoying these performances as much as we are in presenting them to you. We hope to see you in person soon once COVID is behind us. In the meantime, please stay connected with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon. Please like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. We look forward to seeing you real soon. Take care of yourselves. Namaste.
Namaskar. Good evening. I welcome you all to the streaming of Uday Raga, a dance festival presented by Indo-American Association Houston in collaboration with Odisha Dance Academy Bhubaneswar. It was initiated by Padma Shri Guru Srimati Aruna Mohanty to uplift the spirits of young dancers and nurture the art. The series will be streaming every Friday on Indo-American Association Houston's Facebook and YouTube pages at 8 p.m. CST and will be rebroadcasted every Saturday on Odisha Dance Academy Bhubaneswar's YouTube and Facebook pages at 8 p.m. IST. Our first artist tonight is Dr. Sunanda Nair. Dr. Sunanda earned a bachelor's and master's degree in Mohiniyattam in India from Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya. A highly acclaimed performer, choreographer and teacher in the international classical dance arena, Sunanda is the senior-most disciple of the noted Mohiniyattam exponent Padma Bhushan Dr. Kanak Rele, to whom she completely devoted her study to the art form. Sunanda is also the recipient of the prestigious Kerala Sangeet Natak Academy Purashkar in 2010 and also received the prestigious Kala Ratnam from the Kerala Kala Mandalam 2016.
The item I'll be presenting is Madhurashtakam, a very favorite item of all dancers. Adharam, Madhuram, Vadana, Madhura, Nayana, Madhura, Hasita, Madhura, Hridaya, Madhura, Gamanam, Madhuram, Madhuradipati, Akhilam, Madhur. We have chosen two Sancharis. One is the very favorite of all children, the story of Krishna and his childhood friend Sudama. The little pranks they play, they venture out into the forest by themselves and they realize with the thunder and lightning, all the children are scared and Krishna assures them, I'm with you, you don't need to be worried. The second episode we have highlighted here is the Gita-upadesha. Krishna, the charioteer of Lord Arjuna in the battlefield, gives him a life's lesson. A few verses are chosen, not all of them. Adharam Madhuram, Vadanam Madhuram, Madhuradipate Akhilam, in Ragamalika Talamala.
Ataram Mathuram Vadanam Mathuram Nayanam Mathuram Hasitam Madhuram Hridayam Madhuradipate Akhilam Mathuram Madhuradipate Akhilam Mathuram Ataram Mathuram Vadanam Madhuram Nayanam Madhuram Hasitam Madhuram Hridayam Madhuram Gamanam Madhuram Madhuradipate Akhilam Madhuram Madhuradipate Akhilam Madhuram Vajanam Madhuram Charitam Madhuram वचनं मधुरं चरितं मधुरं वसनं मधुरं वलितं मधुरं वसनं मधुरं वलितं मधुरं चलितं मधुरं भ्रमितं मधुरं चलितं मधुरं भ्रमितं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरम् सख्यं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं वेणुर्मधुरो रेणुर्मधुरः वेणु मधुरो रेणु मधुरः पाणिर्मधुरः पादौ मधुरो पाणिर्मधुरः पादौ मधुरो नृत्तं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं नृत्तं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं नृत्तं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं नृत्तं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरम् नृत्तं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं 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 नृत्तं मधुरं नृत्तं मधुरं नृत्तं मधुरं नृत्तं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं नृत्तं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं नृत्तं मधुरं नृत्तं मधुरम् सख्यं मधुरं नृत्यं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं नृत्यं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं नृत्यं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं नृत्यं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं नृत्यं भुक्तं मधुरं तिलगं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं गूंजा मधुरा माला मधुरग गूंजा मधुरा माला मधुरग यमुना मधुरग नीजी मधुरग यमुना मधुरग नीजी मधुरग सलिलं मधुरं कमलं मधुरं सलिलं मधुरं कमलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरम् गोप मधुर गावो मधुर गोप मधुर गावो मधुर यष्टिर्मधुर सृष्टिर्मधुर यष्टिर्मधुर सृष्टिर्मधुर दलितं मधुरं बलितं मधुरं दलितं मधुरं बलितं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं
Our next artist is Madhulita Mahapatra, a recipient of the prestigious Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Purashkar from the Central Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi, and the Karnataka State Kempagowda Award. Madhulita Mahapatra has carved a niche as one of the leading Odissi exponents in South India. She has received prestigious awards like IITF 2017, PCKA Yuva Kala Pratibha, Arya Award for Women Achievers, Arati Kala Ratna in Phoenix, Arizona, USA, and the GTF Women's Excellence Awards. A disciple of Guru Shri Gangadhar Pradhan, Guru Srimati Aruna Mohanty, Guru Shri Pabitra Kumar Pradhan, and Guru Krishna Chandra Sahu, is presently learning under Guru Srimati Aruna Mohanty. She is admired and applauded by the connoisseurs and critics alike for her profound artistry and her innate Abhinay quality. Madhulita Mahapatra has performed at several prestigious events across the country and abroad. She is selflessly devoted to the promotion and popularization of Odissi in South India through her institution Nrityantar by performing, teaching and nurturing finest talents. Nrityantar Dance Ensemble is one of the most sought after classical dance troupes from Karnataka and is invited by major art festivals. Tonight, she will be presenting Hari Rabhi Sarati. This is an excerpt from Gita Govinda, Sri Jayadeva's epic creation. Here, a Sakhi of Radha pleads her to forgive Madhava and be united with him. Madhave, Ma Kuru Manini, Manamay.
Hari Rabhi Sarati. This Abhinaya item is based on an Ashtapadi from the popular Sanskrit epic, the Gita Govind, written by poet Jayadev. In the blowing of the gentle breeze, Krishna is coming to be with you. O Radha, there is no greater pleasure than meeting him. Put an end to this pride towards Madhava. How much have I spoken of his love for you? Just to have a glimpse of you, He once came in the guise of a garland seller and of a yogi at another occasion. He is the one who is exceedingly charming and beautiful, and you reside in his heart forever. Put an end to your pride towards Madhava and go to him. Why do you look so dejected? All your friends are laughing at you. They laugh in derision that you yourself drive Krishna away, and when he is gone, you suffer in his separation. Come and see him lying on a bed of lotus petals. How can you make his heart so full of pain? Put an end to your pride towards Madhava. Music is set to Rag Saveri and Tal Ekatali, composed by Dr. Subhash Pani. Dance choreography by Guru Srimati Aruna Mohanty. Performed this evening by Srimati Madhulita Mahapatra.
सखी भवने किम परमधिक सुखं सखी भवने माधवे मा कुरु मानिनि मानमये मा कुरु मानिनि मानमये कति न कथितमपि अनुपदमचिरम् कति न कथितमपि अनुपदमचिरम् कति न कथितमपि अनुपदमचिरं मा परिहर हरिं अतिशय रुचिरं मा परिहर हरिं अतिशय रुचिरं मा परिहर मा परिहर मा परिहर अतिशय रुचिरं मा परिहर ए भिक्षारे मोर नाही दरकार तब दर्शने इच्छा नंद सुते अछि जेउ महामान छाड़ पुरु मन बांछा छाड़ पुरु मन बांछा छाड़ पुरु मन बांछा परिहर हरि अतिशय रुचिरं मा परिहर हरि अतिशय रुचिरं माधवे मा कुरु मानिनी मा कुरु मानिनी मानमये। किमिति विषीदसि रोदिसि विकला किमिति विषीदसि रोदिसि विकला किमिति विषीदसि रोदिसि विकला किमिति विषीदसि रोदिसि विकला विहसति युवती सभा तव सकला विहसति युवती सभा तव सकला माधवे मा कुरु मानिनी मानमये मा कुरु मानिनी मानमये। सजल नलिन दल शीतल शयने सजल नलिन दल शीतल शयने हरिमिव लोकय सफलय नयने हरिमिव लोकय सफलय सफलय नयने हरिमिव लोकय 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 सफलय नयने हरिमिव लोकय सफलय नयने माधवे मा कुरु मानिनि मानमये मा कुरु मानिनि मानमये श्री जयदेव भणितमतिललितं श्री जयदेव भणितमतिललितं सुखयतु रसिक जनं हरिचरितम् सुखयतु रसिक जनं हरिचरितं सुखयतु रसिक जनं हरिचरितं माधवे मा कुरु मानिनि मानमये मा कुरु मानिनि मानमये मा कुरु मानिनि मानमये मा कुरु मानिनि
Namaskar. My heartiest thanks to Indo-American Association, Houston, Odisha Dance Academy, and especially my Guru, Srimati Aruna Mohanty, for giving this wonderful opportunity to perform at this prestigious Udayaraga Dance Festival virtual online performance series. And also, I would like to thank all of you for tuning in today for watching my performance. Namaskar.
I thank all our viewers for joining us in the streaming of Uday Raga. Stay tuned and we will come again with 2 more artists next week. Wishing you a happy Durgashtami. Thank you. Namaskar.